go, all right, well, let me see what I can see out past that. I go all time on Heat Seeker for the rest of the month. Extra confluence, July 55 also lit up. So you could just like, if you don't want to buy the 55s and wager it actually getting to that level, just buy the 50s. Like these contracts are not expensive at all. And then just buy the ones August or later dated, because then you, if they have a good earnings, you can capture that value. And even if it takes until July for it to get to 55, at least you didn't buy the Julys and you're trying to hope that it got to it before the end of OPEX. So that would be, yeah, no, that's just crazy. The calls to puts value on that is probably like 50 to 1. August 50s are 225. All right, so PCG. Now I gotta look at this because you got me fucked up. I'm adding this to my shit now. PCG. Oh, okay. Well, interested. Okay. Yeah. Weird. It's weird how all these little things that you see, it's just like stocks that just have been consolidating for a cool minute. uh, buy volume still good. I don't know what happened this day. That's kind of like an outlier. I don't know if I can really, like that's, I don't know what the fuck that is. Something must have came out that was bad. Or maybe, I don't even know, May 18th. Um, I don't know if, is this on Heat Seeker? No, it's not. So chart consolidation, still above the daily VP, above the weekly VP, above the monthly. So next question is, okay, so above the 4-hour too. This almost looks like a giant liquidity sweep. And I'm in. Is that a gap? Kinda. I gotta open this bigger. I can't see. Where the fuck was that at? Here. Here. Oh, so they filled the gap. Yo! Yo! They filled the baby gap with that wick. I don't see any upside gaps, but it is mad consolidation. And if you get a daily close above, let's just say 17 bucks, you gonna be going up and to the right. Damn it, bro. Now I got all these fucking charts I gotta look at now. You guys are fucked up. Okay, but like how there's no way we're going that high. What is this? Okay. What is the highest this has ever been though? Oh damn. 2017 was its peak. Whoa. Whoa. Look at the buy volume comparison to those. What the hell? There's some Omega bag holders up there, bro. Oh my god. Dude, we do like 3 times the amount of shares on the monthly on this now. Bruh. And it's only been picking up in volume. I think it's as soon as you get like a month under, what is that? 50 or 530 million in that candle. 374. I think if you can get under 3, is that one? Say 370s. You can get some sell volumes under 370 million a month. But like maybe that's starting now, and that's why you're seeing the lessening and lessening of sell as we go across. 'Cause I mean that's big buy volume right there for a day. I think anything above that, if you can get anything above, let's go happy medium 18 million in daily buy volume, and it keeps staying above that. Let's say yeah, close to 18 because today was 16. Stay around that range, and this sell volume is decreasing. I think this might go crazy too. Not a lot of volume built up here for a profile either. So if you break above these SMAs, like it's just not really any gaps, but look at it's like controlled selling all the way down. Hit the 200 SMA, local bottom, gap fill liquidity sweep, hold the daily VP. Yeah, I don't know. It could go bonkers. They have dividends coming up and earnings at the end of July. Okay. I don't know about five. I think the lowest, I mean, it could, but I think the lowest meta goes is 592.5. There's liquidity to grab there. Yeah, the 595 is kind of like a local bottom area. I mean, you can even see it in after hours yesterday. You could almost just like put a line on your chart at like 597, 597.5. But this though, this looks good. And you're basically almost above the 50 on the daily RSI too. So if you can get this to get some momentum here and hold above 50, like we'll do, it'll go retest these local highs. And I mean, if 20 is what they're buying on the calls, that's here, right? 20 would make sense. You clear this, and we go retest the daily VP up at 20. How much are the leaps on those contracts for 20? Like how much are like January's? And yeah, paper. I'll look at Netflix. The heat seeker. Hold on. Post that. I mean, these are the Netflix strikes for going into August. Sheldon, it's they get a pump during their events. Da da da. 230 was hit, which was the whale's target. If I checked today, I'd almost guarantee that whale probably sold out of 80% of its position. And then, you know, I haven't looked at the heat seeker, so I don't know what happened after we got there. But I mean, target was hit $2 above in the money. Uh, and oh, so PCG. Oh, is that what What's Up was like puts on PCG after they burned down California? Is that what he was talking about? Okay, I remember. Um, Netflix. Uh, I mean, you could see Max Payne. Like I got this yellow line here at 80, and then under that would be like this 74 bottom that we consolidated here before the last pop. Before they announced, I think this was the shares or the Warner Brother partnership bullshit or whatever. Um, maybe we go retest this VP on the 4 hour, which is like right above the yellow line as well, 80. But I'm still like, you look at the Vanna exposure I just sent you in that picture. I mean, dealers positioning into August of this year and September is $120, and it's large. So I don't know. I bought March. So if we go in the money and I have Marches, like it's a no sweat trade. It doesn't move that much when the stock goes down. I bought a lot of time. Kind of stocks. Boy, wait, let me share the rest of my screen because we're done. It doesn't matter if I stream my heat seeker now. Make this shit right. What's this? And I mean, Netflix Gamma Dealer also is like, it could flip us. You can see the levels. Like it's just, they got all the way down 78, which is right around my yellow line at 80. But I don't really see anything. I guess 78. So yeah, right around our bottom band exposure in the Juno picks would be 77, 78. Is it what China stuff? Okay, grab. Look. Oh wait, no, it just looks like oh, that is all. Holy shit. What is this? Is this that's bonkers. You probably just buy like I don't know, like $4 calls for January. Be like your best hope. Or sort of in the at the money 3.5. No, I can't look at Marvel, bro. I can't do that. It's detrimental to my health, friend. Not do that. Like flow or oh Kaiser, god damn it, bro. Roblox Glitch had been saying he was playing Roblox. I don't know if he's still in Roblox. Heat map did look good for upside, as you can see. Gamma and then Vanna both point towards 50. Um, what is that? That's got to be a joke. But even 65 into 7.7, even some at 80 for September, and even ending the year, there's 120. So maybe they stopped letting child molesters on their platform. That's my guess. Shit. Uber. Yeah, hold on. Let me look at Cipher flow, EMAP. Then I'll look at Uber. Got time today. What we want to look at? Cipher's just one of those weird ones that like like do the contracts even move? I mean, it's up 10% today. This does absolutely nothing for me. So weekly, you would just look at the biggest value, and it looks like 30 is the biggest node with some short gamma up to it. OPEX 618 is 32, but there's also a relatively large 19. I don't know why oh, it's because it's, there you go. Andrew, I don't know, I'm not in Marvel. I'm regarded, didn't buy it yesterday. Damn, 115/2027 for Cypher. They got that thing at 40, and I'm max striked out. And if I'm looking at the Cypher chart, God, I haven't. Oh, it broke out from. Okay. What is this attached to? What is? Where the fuck is that even at? Oh, must have stopped playing here. I don't know. I mean, it looks like came back, retested the highs you made here, broke out, retested 4-hour, wicked below, liquidity, bounce off the cloud, have held the 10 SMA on the 4-hour the whole time since you've gone up. Oh, broke below it once, hit the 20 and reclaimed. I gotta delete this. This is fucking me up. At the top of this channel, maybe. Oh, you're above these highs, so I mean, if you come down, maybe look for a back test support here, which would be kind of near mid heart line. And then a lower or an equal low would just be the bottom here. You're just going across here, which is the wicks up here. Ever since you got this reversal candle here, it's kind of just been moving. So maybe it's run out of steam here. You come retest some lower levels. If not, I mean, just look for, I don't know, you gotta get a break and hold above. Is this all-time highs? What the hell? What is? Okay, well, I mean, I guess now you're just in price discovery, so. I mean, if you're shooting for the stars, look for 30. Hold on. Let me stop being retarded. I'll just draw fibs and I'll tell you. God, fuck. Damn, the lows are so. What happened? That would be OD 88. Hold on, I gotta. It's like, what the fuck? OD 88. Oh, bro, you just go. Uh, Target 26, 27. You're at it. You're almost at your fib. Look at this. Look at how well these fucking. Look at this shit. Look at that. Boom. Omega boom. Reclaim Omega boom. New super boom. This shit might go crazy. I don't even really like Cypher like that. What the hell? Is this a crypto? Isn't this crypto? Is that what this is? Like a crypto mining company? Pivoted to AI data. Okay. So that just means maybe we need a piece of the pie, but I don't know. They don't look like they make too much in their earnings, and I'm assuming they still hold Bitcoin, right? It's like Galaxy. Yeah, I feel like maybe the DVN PCG is probably a better play. It's gotta go. Yeah, yeah, I agree. But I mean, this is crazy. If you get here, whoever's playing this, I don't know if you're in it or whatever. If you get here, this is probably like profit take levels. I don't know what kind of calls and shit like that, but yeah, TP1 like 27, 28, and then shoot for the stars, go crazy. Anything after that's just free. 37, I guess. Dude, C Squire, honestly, I have no idea. Amazon is fucking insane. Amazon and Google. Uh, it's not that I don't have any idea. It's probably, I mean, realistically, okay. Realistically, this chart's not bad. Maybe I just needed to buy at the lows, but I had better places to put money than fucking Amazon right now. But if I was to guess, I'd say somewhere here. If we keep selling off, 241, 240. What is, you got 1 hour VP was above us, which we went through and then rejected back down through. Rejected the highest up 1 hour, 4 hour VP below us at 248. So maybe look 248, and then below that, 240. Is this 50? 50 is at 247.7, which is right where this VP shelf is on the 4 hour. So I just put a line there, like 247 or 248, and then just put like 58 SMA on the daily next to it or something. Why do I love trolling? I was about to troll. I gotta chill. If Meta holds 600 in after hours, or even if we slip back to 595 tomorrow, I'm buying. Dude, it's fucking Asgard. It's strictly Asgard, bro. I guess I got some in here too, but dude, it's like fucking everybody's alert. Oh, all right, Rojas. Okay. See, it's just people bullying me. It's just people bullying me, Kaiser. But whoever was asking about Amazon, this could be like another stock that looks like another inverse Head and Shoulders, except we broke way too low. So, and it sucks because it's a shitty sell. Maybe retest this daily VP, but if not, look for the 50 SMA around here somewhere. Yeah, it'd be ungodly if they sent us back down to the 200 SMA. Absolutely ungodly. Do they? Oh, this little guy? Wow. Oh, low or what? That? No, Kaiser. No. No. Bro. That would be unholy. Look, they left us two gaps. Look, the double gap. Oh, wait. Am I tweaking? Did that fill? Oh, it did. Wait. Oh, it did. The fuck? Gap filled and then gapped us. What if if Amazon goes 219, you just gotta long that shit and look away. There's no way. Absolutely no way. And I think I might have been pussy for selling today. I told myself I wouldn't sell at a loss, and I did it. And now my heat seeker's not working. I just hate dead weight, and sometimes I get impatient. And Amazon, after the news and just everything with Google, I just decided I'd rather go long on Meta. The risk to reward just seemed better. But I mean, I guess like 277 is still there. This looks like it's gonna be a battle for whatever this is, so something might happen in between this, but I mean 290, 270. So maybe I was just being a puss, but if this happens where we just go sideways for a whole 3 more months, I would have actually offed myself if I held trying to get this. So yeah, Andrew, and that's why after looking at PCG and what's this other one? Forget it. DVN and so many other plays, bro, that I look at and talk about. If I just put, I even said it the other day. I was like, if I bought one contract of everything and everybody in due diligence talked about and myself looked at, I probably would not need to trade anymore. But you know what I do? I hold Microsoft for a month for no reason. That's what I did. I mean, I guess it wasn't for no reason, but God, like, it was a shitty ass fucking hole. And I'm praying they don't do that with Meta. Andrew, the Microsoft entry is 435, and then I'm also going to Omega Long more. I still got December's and July runners, but like I want to buy more, like maybe January's or later dated. I really think like this whole Meta, Microsoft, Google CapEx spending thing is really blown out the water. And I mean, dealer positioning speaks volumes, and dealer positioning is up. So at some point they gonna have to stop selling these bitches because CapEx spending, because they're getting partnerships and doing build outs and getting everything in line, and then the revenue starts hitting. So once that's started, the CapEx shit's just gonna go out the window. Okay, somebody else asked for a ticket on this for it. VSCO. This is on Heat Seeker too. This dude Nico has been adding the shit out of tickers, bro. I'll kiss that man, bro. This is interesting one. Wait, why can't I go up higher? What are the strike? What? Am I tripping? That's it? I mean, fuck even is this ticker? We need a Kaiser AI bot in here that just auto shows me what shit is every time I say, what the fuck is this ticker? Because this is VSCO. What? Victoria's Secret? But we were supposed to buy calls on this the other day, bro. What? It's in August or late July, Kaiser. But yeah, Victoria's Secret had like a Omega gap up because they're earning. It's eToro. Yeah, not on Heat Seeker. eToro. El Toro? What is this? It's a buy volume candle for sure. Oh my gosh, it's down a lot since IPO. They beat last earnings. Oh shit. That's actually pretty good. Bridge, huh? Stock buybacks. Yeah, I mean, this just looks like somebody either something happened that day. Oh, earning. Okay, so they dipped on earnings, but then Omega sent the next day. Oh my god, dude, the stock market's not real. Why did it even go this low? Later, Kaiser. Oh, for sure, bonk. I was just looking at that shit today, and I told these fools, I said, damn, double bottom, well, local double bottom of these highs right here on BE was a buy. And you look and you go, oh shit, could have bought it again off the double bottom from the gap up. Crazy work. Dude, is it going to drop though, bonk? Or are you just gonna have to top blast, my boy? Wait. 265 never hit, but we hit 270? 268? That just Omega sent. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I guess your best bet is maybe we do go back to these nodes, but like banner exposure also shows downside too. That's weird. Maybe there was some news. Yeah, I think BE is one of those ones, the dips you just buy. It's gonna always be a player in its space. But yeah, I think BE goes and retests the highs made here. If not, you gotta look and see, do you reject 310? If you don't reject 310, then for sure go retest this 322 area. But with buy volume like that, if this sell volume, if we do get another sell day or red day, if it's equal to this value, it just means the next day is gonna be bigger buy volume.